Hey guys, I'm Dipankar from Technomedia and this is the hands-on review of Coolpad Dazen X7. So I will talk about this smartphone in this video. This is Dazen X7 which is powered by an octa-core MediaTek processor with 2 GB of RAM. So overall performance of the device will be good. It has a 5.2-inch Full HD Super AMOLED display with Gorilla Glass 3 protection. So the performance of the display will be good along with the protection from scratches. You can see that the transition between different screens is smooth. You can see that the opening and the closing of apps is also quite fast. So the overall the display seems to be good, bright and vibrant. So now let me talk more about the design of the smartphone. At the top it has a 8 megapixel front camera with sensors. At the top there are speakers for the calls. At the right side there is a power button and there are two slots for micro SIM, and you can see that the edges are made of metal. So this smartphone comes with a metallic body. At the left side there are volume rocker keys. At the bottom there is a micro USB port, a microphone and speakers. You can see that the metallic frame looks good. At the top there is a microphone for noise cancellation and 3.5 jack. The back cover is glossy with the branding and Gorilla Glass protection. There is a 13 megapixel rear camera with dual LED flash. So overall the metallic body of the smartphone looks very good and it is quite similar to the Xiaomi Mi 4. This smartphone comes with Android 4.4 KitKat with CoolUI 6.0 at the top. You can see that there are few Coolpad branded apps, and you can see that there is no app drawer, so all apps are managed at the different home screens. This is the notification center. Now let me show you the device configuration in the about section. Here you can see the phone's configuration. You can clearly see the RAM, CPU, the Android version, the display resolution and the internal storage. So these are the few hardware specifications of the device. So now let me show you the internal storage status in the storage section. This is the 16 GB variant of the device with no micro SD card slot. So you cannot expand the storage. You are bound to use the 16 GB storage. This is the battery section where you can see that the battery consumption and all other options are very similar to the Android 4.4, but the icons have been changed according to the CoolUI. You can see that the icons are flat in design and it looks good. This is the gallery section where you can see that the photos are arranged in the different manner which is not similar to the stock Android. Now let me talk about the camera, which also offers a pro section where you can manually configure the shutter speed and the white balance and different things. So this is the default camera app. You can see that there are different options at the left side. This is the button to capture photos. At just above the button you can see the options for video, photos and going in the pro section. So now I'm going to take a picture from the rear camera and I will show you the photo quality. This is the photo taken from the camera and I am zooming it up to many times and the overall picture quality seems to good. Actually I can see the distortion and the noise, but overall the good. Now let me just take the photo from the front camera, and this is the photo taken from the front camera and this seems to be quite good, and there is a very little noise in the pixels, but overall the picture quality from the front camera and back camera both are good. Now let me just show you the pro options, and these are, yes, this is for the pro option where you can change the different things like white balance and other things. So you can use these options just if you like to use your phone for the photography. So these options are very good and these are the quite similar to what we saw in the Asus Zenfone 2. So overall the camera is good. This was the Dazen X7 and I'm really happy with the first impression of the device. It has a premium metallic design with a good UI and a good camera. This was the hands-on review of Coolpad Dazen X7. Please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.